Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the dream skin from Fortnite. When I first saw this skin, I just felt like I had to draw it for you because it was so pretty, especially the butterfly wings. So hopefully you guys will love my version of her, and I've made it easy for you to follow along. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this dream skin, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of her U. So I'm going to come to the other side, say about this much. And I'm just going to start to connect it. And round it off at the bottom. And go back up. So there we have her face in. And then from where we started in this area, I'm going to start to draw the eye. So we're right close to the edge. I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So right here, and once again towards the edge. And let's make them drastic cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles at an angle. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, to have her eyes in, let's come over here. I'm just going to give her one very simple lash. And same thing over here. Just one and thicken it up. And in between, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here. Just go up and cap it off. And then let's come over here. We're going to come to the top and give her a brow. So about right here, I'm going to start and draw a line coming down. So her brow's pretty thick. So I'm just going to go in here and thicken it up and shade it in. And so the other one I'm going to leave because not yet, because I still have to draw her hair. So I'm going to bring this curve up a little bit more because I know this side's a little bit higher. And from right here, I'm going to start to draw her bangs. So it's basically this shape that's going to come around here. So I'm going to start right here and go up with a curve slightly. And about right there, I'll stop because I know she has these two strands that come right here. So I'm going to come right here close to her brow, draw the first strand, and then another one that comes lower, and go back up. And then now I'm going to draw a curve all the way back to here. And make that part. There. So then now we can come in and draw her other brow. So I'm going to come right about here, same thing like the other side. And thicken it. There. Okay, so now we have that part in. Let's go ahead and finish her hair. So I'm going to come in this area is where her hair parts. So about right here. I'm just going to give myself a line. But in this area, I'm going to come up. And on this side, go up. So then this part, I'm going to bring it down. So it's going to come towards her face. Let's bring this out a little bit more. And I'm going to bring it down. And about in this area, I'm going to curve it in. And then draw one more that comes in too. So I'm going to come up. And bring it in again. So it's just going to frame her face. There. So then on this side, it's almost the same thing. So we're going to go up higher over here. Make her hair nice and full. And we're going to start to bring it down. And so bring it down a little bit more. So then about right there, I'm going to curve out a little strand. Bring it back in. And then once again, I'm just going to tuck it right back into her face. Right there and in. And you can come in here for some details if you like. So it's always harder with a Sharpie, right? Because it's so it's so solid. Okay, so there we have her face in now finally. Now let's draw her outfit. I'm going to come right here in the center and give her a neck. So on both sides, neck and shoulder, and right here as well, neck, shoulder. And we're going to save her for ponytail for later until we finish her body. So I'm going to imagine her armpits, now her shoulders right there. So I'm just going to say about right here on both sides. And I'm going to bring angle line down. And let's come in here and give her a collar. Curve right under it for detail. And let's connect this. So I'm going to come right here and connect it with a curve. Add one more. So this is going to be her backpack strap. So same thing here. Curve and then another one. And then about right there, I'm going to stop and add her belt. I'm going to keep bringing this down. And right here, let's add her belt. And so then this is her waist area. So then let's come down a little bit more about right here. I'm going to add a little angle line. So from this angle line, I'm going to bring out 2 angles for her legs. So let's keep bringing this down now. And we can go ahead and finish her legs. So let's keep going down. And we're going to get thinner as we go. So this one is more straight on. This one's turned to the side. So let's work on this one first. So say about right there, I'm going to start to draw her shoe. So we're angling it down and then come out and connect it. There. So now this side, we're going to just angle this line down all the way to match the other side. And about right here, we're going to angle a little bit, curve it in and out. And let's part this part right here. That's going to start to draw her foot, her shoe, and come out. And we're going to make sure it's the same level and connect it. There. Okay, so before we finish in all the details, let's draw her hands. So now we know her hips are in this area, and we're going to draw her arm. So this one is going to come at an angle onto her hip. So I'm going to continue right here. So her hip is going to be in this area. So I'm just going to aim to bring in the angle about right there. So let's follow. And about right there, we'll connect it. And just draw an angle line onto her hip for her hands. So this side is just going to be hanging down. So same thing about right here. So this is just going to come down to about right there. And now we're going to draw her hands. So out, curve it in, another curve, and connect. So 2 angles. And come in here with a little curve for her fist. And since we're here, let's draw some details. So I'm just going to add a strap right here. And let's see here. Over here, we're going to add this little band right here. There's all these details, right? And of course there's a band right here. Every Fortnite character has, right? Okay, so then now let's, now that we have that part in, let's come in here and give her a little ponytail. I'm just gonna tuck it right in here. So just pick up the band, and then let's curve it out. It's about this much and curve it out, and bring it in. From there, I'm gonna start to draw the wings. So I'm gonna come right here and pop out these butterfly wings. I'm gonna curve it out. So they're more angled, they're not just like a big round loop. So I'm gonna come right here, bring it in. So there's 3 different layers. I'm gonna bring this back in here. And I'm just gonna very lightly come in here with some vein lines. There. And then another layer right here, smaller one, right underneath. And once again, same thing, very lightly. And then there's that other portion that comes down, so, but right here I'm gonna tuck it in. One. I'm just trying my best to make it look like it. And let's here. And add another part right here that kind of breaks off. There. Okay, so now we have that in. Now the hard part is to try to make it look like it's on the other side too, right? So I'm gonna try my best and just take these little measurements. So then about right here should pop out. The other side and about the same height. And don't worry if it's not the same, because it won't be. Let's see here. Go down, bring it in and in. And once again, just gonna add some veins. And another portion right here, just pop it out. Just so we know they are wings. And so right here, angle this part out. You won't see that part, so I'm just going to pop out a little part of the wing right here. There. I hope that looks decent enough. And you know what? I think I might be able to pop out a little piece right here, right? There. Okay, so I'm done with that now. Let's draw all the little details inside. So right in the center, we're going to draw a little oval just to make it simpler. And we're going to draw the butterfly. So it's once again, it's 3 layers. 1, 2, and then the bottom wing, 3. And sorry if I'm going too fast. If I am, just please pause the video. 2 and 3. And then there's some of these patterns right here. So I'm just going to very randomly add some angle lines. And there's some here too. So right here it's going to continue. I just love this skin. It was just so pretty, right? And especially the wings. So then right here, I'm going to add the belt detail. Oops, my hand's wobbling. And 2 straps right there. And okay, so now for the detail for the legs. First one will be the straps. Always the 2 straps on the legs. You can pop it out if you like. And then we're going to come about in this area and we're going to start to draw the boot. So 2 angles, and come right here where the ankle part is and cut it off. Add a bottom to our shoe, a top to the shoe, and then I'm just going to draw some crosses right here, just indication of the laces. And let's see here. So then on this side, let's start with the shoe first. So give it a layer. Then we're going to break this part off right here and add a curve right there. So hopefully I'm making it easy for you to follow. There's also, this is where the laces are. Okay, so then we're going to bring this part up. So about right here, continue that. And then in this area, just add 2 straps. So I'm kind of going backwards, building from the bottom. And this is going to continue up. And so in this area, this is where her knee pad's going to be. So right there. And then I'm going to add a curve right here. And connect. And then you can pop this out a little bit if you like. So there, hope you guys love my version of the dream skin from Fortnite and I've inspired you to give it a try. If you love Fortnite, please make sure to check out all my drawings for Fortnite. So just Google Draw So Cute Fortnite and a bunch of them should pop up. So thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.